GM and welcome to day 4 of the abstract games. This is the final day. Today you won't see me because I'm on the road. I don't have the mic with me as well, so the sound quality might be not as good as usually, so sorry for that. But now let's dive in. First of all, let's talk about the popularity contest from yesterday. And then let's talk about the death race, which is today's game. And this is at least a bit more skill-based. Now let's talk about the popularity contest first. As you can see, I got a lot of points. It went very well for me. And this is actually, I left it the way that I showed it in yesterday's video in case you did it the same way as I did. You managed to get a lot of points because these ones here were the only ones that I did not have right. Only Finn was on the 4th and not on the 3rd, but apart from that everything was completely correct, so I got a lot of points, which is nice, and I jumped from place 4,000 something to 1.4k, which is nice. And now we're in the final game, which is called Death Race, and my goal is to place in the top 1k. Top 100 isn't possible anymore, but top 1k definitely, so this is what I'm gonna try. Now let's click on play now, and then we can see the how to play. Each row has one tile that will kill you. The number on each tile represents the weighted risk that it's the tile, meaning a 2 tile has twice the chance of being the death tile as a 1 tile. The number is also the number of points you'll get for choosing it. Get as many points as you can before you die. You get 25 attempts. If you choose to play again, you forfeit your previous score. So we have 25 attempts, so let's call the first 10 trials, and let's see how far we can get. I'm gonna show you a few rounds and let's see how this turns out. Now let's play. Let's go with the 16 points. Nice, that went great. Let's keep it safe in this round, go with the 3. That went great. Now let's go with the 16. Boom. Okay, so all 3 rounds actually were the ones that was the highest number, actually were the ones where we died. So let's forfeit this one definitely, and let's go with the 16. Ooh, this one was different. Let's go with the 27 this time. Nice. Now as you can see, we're already on row 2 and we got a way higher score now. Let's go with the, I don't have a good feeling about those, so let's go with the 1. Nice. Let's go with the same here. Nice. This time I got the feeling that the 18 is fine, and it wasn't, so I'm dead again. But at least I got a score of 53, and I think it's pretty clear how this game works. Let's play again. That worked, let's go through this faster. That worked as well. Now go with the 9. That worked, let's go with the 9. That did not work. Okay, so as you can see, you have 25 tries. 54 was the highest I gotten so far. This time I died. You don't get the score. As you can see, I got the 32, but I died because of that, so the total score is 0. So as you can see, you need to actually win the row to get the points. And that's already it. Let me know your high scores down in the comments. This was the last part of the abstract games. In the next couple of days, we will probably see a new Flash Badge here under rewards. It's still the Giga Juicy Flash Badge. If you did not get the Giga Juicy Flash Badge so far, make sure to check out this video, which I'm gonna link here in the end. And apart from that, we're gonna cover a lot of stuff in the next normal abstract video. Also make sure to check out my Doodles video, which I just released about the Dude token that has its TGE today. And that all being said, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.